Reggie B. Reggie B. Mr. DC. Notice I sit down while I do this because it's not hard at all. No confrontation and no conversation. Fuck around with us in this total mutilation. Call me Mr. Overkiller cause I just keep stabbing. Yo bitch fine, so I guess I'm grabbing. Stash, crash, thrash, bash, mash. Army bags, I can tell you something new because it's in my past. Warrior, soldier, bolder. Hold us, give us inconvenience when we meet. I'm Mr. Defeat, and I be talking Shakespeare shit so you can roleplay the sheet. But he is turfless and worthless, he don't do shit, so he a bitch, and what you get, not nothing, cause you are not stunting. But if you wanna compete, then we going. But when your family be incomplete, there'll be no win. You the one that's missing, and there is no malnutrition because there's no table. No table. Your family mad because your bitch ass is unstable. And if you wanna rattle, we can go get to the battle. Never been the type to stop because the nigga keep rocking, rolling like I got the guitar bowl when I'm hitting on the drums. Yeah. I hit the symbol, give it to you so you know that that is the signal. Now we got a spread, and I'm talking about peanut butter jelly sandwich, and we can get it, and we can go manually, or we can go manage whatever you wanna do. I am not trying to be on nothing because I am on who? Me, Reggie B, and that's all I'm about. And if you don't think so, then watch out because I'ma make it rain trick, make it rain trick, make it rain trick, make it rain trick. Listen, bring the pain, bitch, bring the fucking pain, bitch, and you will see no KP here cause there is no 6.